If you're the kind of person who jumps from one meeting to the next and somehow has to remember everything that was assigned and everything that's still sitting unresolved, you're gonna love this tool. I've been using Granola for the past few weeks, and I'm genuinely excited to show you how it will change your workflow. So first things first, what is it? Oh, let me tell you what it is not. Granola is not a note taker. And once you use it, you'll understand why that distinction does matter. Granola is an AI notepad. The difference is that you still show up to your meetings and take notes yourself, jotting things down like you normally would. Then, Granola takes everything it transcribed from the audio and combines it with your notes to generate something much better than either one alone. I'll say up front that one of the things I love the most is that there are no meeting bots, no awkward pop-ups saying a recording tool has joined the call. Granola transcribes your computer's audio quietly in the background, without anyone else on the call even knowing that it's running. Though sure, just a quick heads up to the other person is always good practice. It works across Google Meet, Zoom, Slack, Teams, and it even works for in-person meetings through the iOS app. Let me show you how this actually works in practice. You download the app, connect to your calendar, and from that point on, every meeting you have shows up ready to go. You join a call, click to start, and Granola is running quietly in the background. While the meeting is happening, you can type notes directly into the notepad like quick thoughts, things you want to flag, action items you're catching in real time. When the meeting ends, you can ask Granola to generate your summary. And this is where it genuinely gets useful, because it's not just pulling from the transcript, it's weaving in what you wrote, what was said, and structuring everything into something clean and usable. The summary is organized, the key points are there, and you didn't have to do any of the formatting yourself. Now, a feature I really used constantly in this one, chat. You can open the AI chat during a meeting, after a meeting, or even before one, and just ask it questions. Things like, what did we decide last time we talked about this? Or what are all the open action items from this week? What themes keep coming up across my calls? It searches across all your meetings and surfaces the answer. It's the kind of thing that used to take you 20 minutes of scrolling back through notes that now takes about 10 seconds. One of the things Granola has built that I think sets it apart is what they call recipes. Think of them as pre-made AI prompts tailored for specific meeting types. You can use / what did I miss mid-call if you stepped away for a second. You can trigger a recipe after a sales call to get a coaching breakdown. There are community-built recipes from people in the startup and founder space. If that's your world, the library is already shaped around how you work. And you can build your own for anything repetitive, like drafting a follow-up email or updating your CRM after a client call. You can also organize your meetings into folders, like user interviews in one place, client calls in another, sales calls somewhere else, and then add context documents to each folder. So when you're chatting with Granola about your sales calls, it's got your pitch deck, your product notes, everything you've uploaded. That makes the AI responses way better. You should definitely give it a try. So there's a link in the description with a free trial. The free plan gives you access to AI meeting notes and chat, and the paid plan, which is about $14 a month, adds unlimited history, advanced integrations, and their MCP connection. The link is below. So let me give you my actual take. The no-bot approach is real, and it matters more than I expected. There's something about the absence of that extra presence on a call. It keeps conversations more natural, especially in sensitive or early stage discussions. And the quality of the combined notes, your handwritten thoughts, merged with the full transcript is genuinely better than what you get from tools that just auto-generate a summary from audio alone. The recipes feature has a learning curve, but once you've built out for your workflow, it becomes one of those things you just can't imagine not having. The iOS app is solid for in-person meetings, and the chat across meetings is just something I keep coming back to. It's less like a tool and more like having a searchable memory of every conversation you've had at work. Granola is here to help you stay present in meetings, while making sure nothing falls through the cracks afterwards. And it does that really well. For a lot of professionals who are in back-to-back calls a day, that's exactly the problem that needs solving. Try the free plan with the link in the description, no risk to test it out. And once you've run a few meetings through it, you'll see pretty quickly whether it fits your workflow or not. Thanks for watching.